Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Pinterest. So open your Pinterest account. After that go to that person's account to whom you wanna unblock. So okay, then you can see simply there is a unblock option here. So click on it and it's done. So you can see there is a block option. It means you are successfully unblock that person. So this is how you can unblock someone on Pinterest. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.